Do you feel like your energy isn't what it used to be? Has your energy levels plummeted? And your daily performance, and even in intimacy, is no longer as impressive as it once was? The truth is that over time, the male body changes. Stress, routine, age. All of these directly impact your hormone levels. But now there's a natural, practical, and powerful way to turn things around. Meet EndoPeak, the supplement that's been attracting attention for offering an inside-out solution. Formulated with proven ingredients like Tongkat Ali, Tribulus Terrestris, and Horny Goat Weed, it works directly on hormonal balance, supporting your body's natural testosterone. But it's not just about muscles or libido. It's about regaining control. It's about energy, confidence, virility. It's about feeling complete again. Completely. EndoPeak has already helped thousands of men around the world. And now could be your moment. No harsh chemicals. No miracle formulas. Just science, nature, and a commitment to your health. If you want to experience what many are already experiencing, click the link in the description and discover how to transform your routine naturally, safely, and effectively. You don't have to settle for less than you deserve. EndoPeak. More energy, more confidence, more you.